While the Vikings are often depicted as ruthless warriors, there is a lesser-known aspect of their society that highlights their sophisticated social structure. Contrary to popular belief, the Vikings had a complex system of governance and social hierarchy that extended beyond their reputation as raiders and conquerors. 1. Law and order. The Vikings had an organized legal system that emphasized fairness and justice. In fact, they had laws that protected women's rights and punished crimes such as theft, murder, and slavery. Disputes were settled through judicial assemblies, called things where both parties could present their cases and evidence. 2. Gender equality. Viking women held a higher status compared to women. In many other contemporary societies, they had the right to inherit property, divorce, and remarry. Women could also participate in trading, and even hold positions of political power. 3. Economic prowess. The Vikings were skilled traders and merchants, establishing trade networks that spanned across Europe. And even as far as the Middle East, they engaged in long-distance trade, exchanging goods like furs, iron, amber, and slaves for exotic items such as silk, spices, and precious metals. 4. Cultural exchange. The Vikings were not simply invaders. They embraced valuable elements from the cultures they encountered. They adopted various aspects of local traditions, art styles, and language during their voyages, displaying a willingness to integrate and adapt rather than forcefully impose their own culture. 5. Advanced shipbuilding. Viking ships, known as longships, were marvels of craftsmanship and design. They were fast, stable, and versatile vessels that allowed the Vikings to navigate both open seas and shallow rivers. With their advanced shipbuilding techniques, the Vikings were able to conduct extensive exploration and establish settlements far from their homelands. The Viking civilization was more multifaceted than their fearsome reputation suggests. By delving deeper into their society, we discover a rich tapestry of law, gender equality, economic prowess, cultural exchange, and technological achievements that greatly contributed to their historical significance.